Hey there, welcome back to channel. Did you know you can add a quick toggles widget on your home screen like this? Then you can easily access all your quick settings without opening the notification panel. So what you have to do it? So go to the home screen and long press and select widgets. Now scroll down, then you can find this option that call modes and routines. Simply tap on it and select this widget. Now click on then condition and select the toggle you would like to add your home screen. You can add toggle for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, flashlight and more modes. Now I am select any toggle, then I will tap on and save it, and here I can change the icon and also the color, then tap on done. Then again press and hold on the widget. Go to settings and select details. Now you can add as many toggle on your home screen. Now you can easily control all the quick settings direct the home screen without opening your notification panel. So this is all about our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.